Are your homemade skincare recipes falling flat? You're spending time, money, using all of these beautiful natural ingredients. But if you're not applying and rinsing them correctly, you might be missing out on their full anti-aging and glow boosting power. Beautiful babes, today I'm breaking down the exact techniques that turn DIY skincare from meh to wow.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good.
What if I told you the way you apply your coffee scrub or rinse off your honey mask could be the only thing standing between you and truly radiant skin? Listen, it's not what you use, it's how you use it. And once you learn this, your skin will never be the same. Imagine waking up to skin that looks brighter, firmer, smoother, and visibly refreshed, all from ingredients you already have at home. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply and rinse DIY skincare so every recipe works harder for your skin. Always start with a gentle cleanse to remove makeup, sunscreen, oil, and buildup. If your skin isn't clean, those natural ingredients can't penetrate properly. Clean skin equals maximum absorption.
Step 2. The right application technique.
Let's talk about coffee scrubs. Coffee scrubs are not meant to be aggressive. Use light circular motions. Think polishing, not scrubbing the floor. Focus on your jawline, sides of the nose, and the chin. Avoid harsh rubbing. That causes irritation and micro tears. Now let's just talk about a honey mask. Honey masks work best when applied in thin, even layers. Don't glob it on. More product does not mean better results. Let your skin breathe while the honey draws in moisture and nutrients. Leaving a mask on too long does not equal better skin. For scrubs, do 30 to 60 seconds. For mask, 10 to 20 minutes. Anything longer can actually dehydrate your skin and cause irritation, especially with natural acids. Now here's the game changer. Always rinse with lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water strips your skin and cancels out all those glow benefits. Use gentle splashing motions, not rough washcloth scrubbing. Y'all, this is some good info. Take notes. I've got more for you. After rinsing, pat. Don't rub your skin dry. That's it. Then immediately follow with a light oil or a hydrating moisturizer. This locks in moisture and seals all the goodness you just worked so hard for. Let's avoid these real quick. Over scrubbing, leaving mask on too long, using hot water, skipping moisturizer. When you fix those few little items, guess what? Your DIY skincare instantly levels up. When you apply and rinse DIY skincare the right way, your skin looks more radiant, more firm, more youthful. Same ingredients, better technique. Beautiful babes, hey, that is my take, my info I wanted to share with you today, and how I have implemented these steps to make my DIY skincare more beneficial for me. If this helped you, please like this video. If you have not subscribed, I want you here, so please do so. And by all means, share this video with someone else who loves DIY skincare but aren't getting results yet. And hey, it would help me out so much if you could Comment below, what's your favorite homemade scrub or homemade mask? Listen, I'll see y'all in the next glow up.
Lifting each other higher.
Bye-bye.